Houston Premium Outlet Mall, which is the famous outlet mall in Houston. And I should say this is the only outlet mall within 40 to 50 miles surroundings of Houston, Texas. Good morning, good afternoon. I'm Sheraz from channel Your Sir Jee, and the other one is Traveler.YourSirJee. We have came here many times, and here there are many opportunities for individual buyers who are buying branded items for their own use, and like me, who buy for resale purpose. So we pick some items also, like others, the branded items for resale purpose. So today I will try my best to cover some areas in this mall, and I will try to show what are the good opportunities for small businessmen if they utilize this location as a hub to buy branded items for less, and they can do their small business and they can grow their business. I have experience like more than 20 years in retail. So we discovered this outlet mall just like 5-6 years before. But our suppliers previously, maybe they were utilizing these malls also for the same purpose. But we discovered just 5-6 years before. And since then, we pick sometimes some items and we resell. So this is the outlet mall at the main door entrance. And we are entering from the main door. Sometime you will find here the ready food, especially if someone is looking the halal food. So sometimes the truck is available for halal food here. And here are some more trucks. The Mexican food or some regular local food is available here. They have their own food court also, which is right left side. The big hall, and people can find as per their own choice different kind of foods, and they can enjoy while they are spending time for purchasing and searching the items what they are looking for. So they have here one kind of display which is giving detailed information and which is giving the idea for the stores at this location. Moving on, at my left hand side, this is a food court. This is a big hall, and they have many kinds of foods. You can still find some vegetarian food or kosher food, but mostly are regular foods. These days the weather is changing. I mean, not extreme hot weather, but now is pleasant. You can walk in the sun. This is the month of September, and the date is 30, and our time right now is 1:07 p.m. I'm just entering to the food court, to show you a little look. Today is not very busy, so still you can find many seats available if you are coming for here to find some food. Here they have customer service desk also, where you can ask information regarding related to the mall. At, at the end, you can see tax-free shopping. The visitors, when they come here from other countries, and they can buy at retail price with the tax, and later they can bring their receipts with their passport information, so they can help for the tax to return the buyer back. Here are some food stores like Great Wraps, Philly Steaks, Villa, Kochan, Asian Food, and the other side there are drinks also. So this place is pleasant to have some rest while you are walking too much to find for your need things, and then you can enjoy some time here and relax. So here is the drinks area where you can find as per your need if you need something. So it's enough for us from here, and we will see outside now. Some play area for kids or for adults to have rest. The most popular and busy area during busy time, I always saw very big line. This Coach store. Sometime I saw very big line for the Nike store, and always I saw a big line for Tory Burch handbags. Those are, I think, very popular, and in all communities, they buy a lot from Tory Burch. So I will try to cover some areas which I can easily do. So Tory Burch, let me go there and have a look little bit. Beside that, there is Lacoste, then Oasis. That was my favorite for the shoes, because they were having some medical related special shoes which are very good for the people who have some issues with their feet, and they have some special stuff which that helps. So here is Tory Burch. Always they have a line little bit. They are allowing up to certain numbers to enter the store. So they got a chance. So here are some other stores: Fifth Avenue, Saks Fifth Avenue, Movado, GameStop, Karl Lagerfeld. So this is one side of the mall. J. Crew. We are going back from this street and going to the other side. In front of us, K Jewelers outlet. I think those are popular for diamonds. I never entered inside because I don't have interest for those items. In this street, we will see Colhan, Coach here is also. Then Sunglasses Hut, Luxury Beauty, who sells the beauty products. True Religion, Michael Kors, Lucky Brand Jeans, Marc Jacobs. So those are all stores in this state, and there is Jimmy Choo, DKNY, and Clark's, who are specialized in a comfortable shoes. So we will go later to that side. Yes, friends. Today is Saturday, and this mall is not busy like how we see normally, but possibly the schools are open now, and sometimes the weather issue, or sometimes if the school activities are so many, so people don't spend money outside for other purposes. Here we have a Armani store, so they have also some deals possibly. And here we have the cosmetics store, then watch station. Watch stations, they carry multiple brands for the watches like Fossil, like Giorgio Armani, like Emporio, like Diesel, Michael Kors. So these are the brands they carry, and they have good deals for the discounts. So here are some more stores. Clark's, they are popular for their special footwears. Kate Spade, mostly I feel their handbags are most popular, and there are some other accessories. Sometimes in the mall they have some small booths for the food or some accessories, or sometimes the phone accessories stores. Here we have DKNY. DKNY, what I know regarding the perfumes, but they have the dresses and handbags and accessories too. Here we have Burberry. Burberry also popular for the handbags and watches, and also for the fragrance. Here we have Versace. Versace, I know more for the fragrances, but they have multiple items. Express Factory outlet. Then they have some space to have a rest. We entered to one other side of the mall. Most of the areas they have restrooms. So here we have Oakley. Their sunglasses and shades are very popular. We have a Disney store here for the toys, and most of the time they have discounts. And here is taken an additional 25% off. As you can see, they have all kind of Disney stuff, toys and outfits for the kids. In front of me, the Gap outlet. They are especially popular for the outfits for men and women. Some areas have some food stores. So here is one. So we actually completed one side of the mall. we are going back to the main area where we saw the food court and the main entrance. Here is one fragrance store, sunglass hut. Lot of space for having rest during your visit here. You can relax and eat something, or you can just give a break to your legs if you are too tired. Old Navy outlet, they are also popular because of their outfits. Levi's, everyone knows for their pants, jeans and outfits. Crocs, they are specialized in their casual footwears like these, and they added now some stickers on those. So we are almost completing one side of the mall. Here we have tropical treats, food you can enjoy. They have special items you can enjoy. Silver jewelry, Imperial jewelry is the name. These are the small businesses in between the mall areas, and here is the phone accessories store and possibly the repair also. Cellular repair soon. They are much cheaper than the regular phone stores. Here we have the big brand store, Tommy Hilfiger. Me especially like for the pants, which are best fit for my body. So normally I get some pants from them. So here we are in middle of the mall again, where we started from the main door. So this was the one side of the mall which we covered. And now we're going to other end for the mall, where I remember where I saw the fossil watches store also. Here we have Cook Brothers factory store, specialized in outfits, men and women. And Taylor factory store, they are also specialized in ladies outfit, I think. At my right hand is Banana Republic factory store. Here are some Happy Friends toys store in middle of the mall. Then Johnson's and Murphy factory store. Then Trendy Charms store. Bath and Body Works is everywhere in many shopping strips, and they are here in the mall too. Soccer International, they have outfits, and possibly they may be doing specialized specialize in personalized printing also, maybe. St. John for dresses, Lululemon for outfits, and here we have Licreosit. They are hiring also if someone looking for a job. Their items are the cookwares. Samsonite, everybody knows for the suitcases and traveling products. And here is Fossil Watches store, and they carry handbags and leather items for men and women. Fossil is the good idea that you can buy watches for very reasonable discounted prices, and you can make money by selling on marketplaces. Reels, they are specialized in men's mainly the outfits. Reebok, they are also popular for the shoes and outfits. New Balance factory store. This is also outfits and the shoes. Here we have a tie store.
Are you talking or like is it video?
Yes, making a vlog for the mall.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I'm trying. Yes. So here is, before I saw the silver jewelry store, and here is golden jewelry store. Maybe this is gold plated or something. And they have silver also. Then again, phones repair store, Repair Plus. They have accessories, and also they do cell phone repairs. They are much cheaper than any regular phone stores. So most of people come for specially here if they want to fix their phone. Sometimes they repair at the spot, and I think they don't charge like high prices like others do. But in case if someone need, they can visit here. In front of me, there is Adidas store. So there are many entries to enter to the mall. So here is the fourth or fifth one we crossed from different ways. So here is one more end for the mall. So we are almost covering the whole mall as per best of my knowledge. How I walk street by street, Ralph Lauren. This is also Polo Ralph Lauren. Before we saw one store in middle of the mall. Here we have one jewelry store, Swarovski. Sorry, I cannot pronounce right. And here is Build-A-Bear workshop, where you can choose your favorite toy, and you can fill the cotton by yourself. That is just like you are making your own toy by yourself. And normally, sometimes they have deals also. If your baby becomes 1 year or 2 years or some months, so they give some special deals. In front of me, the Victoria's Secret store. They are especially popular for ladies' outfits, undergarments, fragrance, and possibly some other accessories too. Here is Aero post daily. What they sell, let me see. They are also specialized in outfits, but especially for the men's. Finish time, especially for branded footwears. Then we got again one store, middle of the mall, one kiosk or a small store in between big stores. They sell fragrance. I think these are scents like compared or impressions. Here we have a mango Iceland. If you like to enjoy some cold drink. Vans. It's popular for especially for the footwears. As per my knowledge, my son was buying some shoes from them. Some space to have relaxed time. I think we are almost completing the whole mall from middle to one side completed, then the other side, and we are going back to the middle of the mall. Popcorn, I don't like much, but my wife like. Always when she see or when she smell something, she want to buy. So I follow her, not by that I like, but when she buy, I eat with her also. So that is normal. But I don't go, especially for myself, to buy popcorn. Italian ice. Here we have something I cannot read right. Osh, kosh, bosh, bugosh. Sorry, I could not read right, but you can read. Calvin Klein. I think they are displaying especially the outfits, but I know Calvin Klein more for fragrance, men and women. Here is Under Armour, specialized in garments, men and women. Calvin Klein, the other door, main door. Here we have Converse. I think they are also popular for shoes and outfits. Almost I completed the mall, but I think I'm missing one line, so I may go this way to have done my part for the whole mall. Here is also information screen where you can get all the information for the mall stores available here in this mall. So we have one more food store. Frankie's, the best hot dogs in Texas. Then American Eagle Outfitters. Then Suit Outlet. Need help? Please visit the management office located near Burberry store, and they have the information here. They offer some gift cards also, and sometimes the management of the mall, they sell online also the products which are available in the mall. Same products sometimes they sell at their own website. Here we have sports treasures, basically all sports related outfits. Nautica, men's, women's, and kids. Sometimes I buy their shirts, or t-shirts, or polo shirts. Jockey, that is also for outfits. So overall, what we see, majority of stores are for outfits and footwears. Sperry, since 1935, they are selling the footwears. Chico's outlet, this is outfits. Mostly what I can see, those are for women. Okay. So, Robert Graham, this is also outfit store for women. Then Cabrera, that is also for women outfits. David German, I remember for fragrance, but they sell some accessories or jewelry. Here we have great American cookies. Possibly they are popular. They have many deals. So they may have their stores outside the mall too, in different areas. White House, Black Market, they are specialized in outfits. Mostly what I can see, all are outfits and some shoes. So here we have something, but I cannot read, but I can show their logo, buy, sell, trade. Then we have store of Boss. Boss is for outfits. But what I remember, Hugo Boss, I know them as a fragrance. So Saks Fifth Avenue, they have the big location from here up to this corner. So here is one more entrance, and close this area is Armani Exchange. What I believe, Armani Exchange and Giorgio Armani are same. If I'm wrong, please update in the comments. Here we have Talbots. This is also for women outfits. Here I have came up to Oasis Karl Lagerfeld. Then I moved back. So I'm coming back again to this line to cover the whole mall. Here is Movado Company store. As per my knowledge, they sell high-end watches, and they are specialized for some special models, which I saw first time that they were not using any numbers on the dial, but later I saw many models, those were with the number also. So they have some deals here. GameStop, I think this business is going down time after time because everything moved to online. So as you can see, Tory Burch, here is a small line, but during busy time, I can say people are waiting outside, up to 100, 200 people from here up to end of this side. So they are in top popular brands. The visitors especially comes for purchasing their needs, especially the handbags. Then the second one you can count, second in top three, Coach, and the other one is I forget the third name. You can see the logo there at my left hand side, the arrow sign. So these are in top three who have always big lines beside coach. So that's all from this mall. I covered almost all streets and I showed almost everything street by street, and for more specific information I will add in my description. So that was the Nike, because the name was not coming in my mind. So here is the Nike, and this is the middle of the mall from where we started our vlog, and we covered each street one by one. And here is outside of the food court, and there is the tower. We entered the mall to start our vlog. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you like my channel, please share with your friends, family members, for me to grow. Thanks for your help and thanks for watching. See you again in next vlog. Thank you. My name is Sheraz from Urban Super Deals. That is my business name. And Your Sir Jee. You can find me on YouTube. You can find me on Instagram, or you can find me on TikTok also. So the other name is Traveler.YourSirJee. So that's all from here. Thanks for watching.